Hey foodie fam, let's use Cadbury chocolates to make these delicious 5-star double chocolate buns. To make your dough, add 1 cup of warm water, yeast and icing sugar to a bowl and stir. Add some butter and flour and knead for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let the dough proof in a warm place while preparing your filling. Grab your Cadbury 5-star chocolates and cut it, then add in some butter and melt it, making sure to stir every 30 seconds. Bring back your dough and roll it out, and make sure your filling has cooled before spreading. Roll it up and cut it into equal pieces. Place them on a baking tray and let them rest for about 40 minutes before baking. For the toppings, add some cream cheese, icing sugar and milk to a bowl, then microwave. Grab your Cadbury PS caramel chocolate and crush it up, adding it to your cream cheese mixture. This is such an easy recipe, yet so tasty and impressive for family and friends.